Hey YouTube. Here today to show a video of basically a question that I had. I just bought this lockpick gun right here, and I'm having some issues. I have not been able to successfully open a lockup. I don't know if I'm just a dumbass, or if there's something wrong, or if there's a special technique that I need to acquire that I haven't discovered yet. Here's a padlock, the tension wrench, and the gun, and here is a deadbolt lock. And I've also tried 3 or 4 other deadbolts and locks in my house that are attached to my door, and no success. So I'm going to set the camera down on the workbench, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing and kind of try to explain to you in detail of what's going on, in hopes that maybe y'all can shed some light on what I might be doing wrong here, as far as not being able to open up the lock or or the doorknob itself or whatever. But here it goes. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's kind of challenging a little bit since this is not actually in the door. But what I'm doing here is I'm using a tension wrench and applying a little bit of pressure here, and I'm inserting a pick that's with a gun. They come with 2 different picks. One's for more angular type of locks, I think, as far as the keyway is concerned. This is how this works. Basically, you just pull the trigger and you let the pick rest on the tumblers, is what I was reading in the instruction guide. Well, I'm not. This is not working for me. As you can see, I'm doing full strokes. This pin right here is bouncing. It's working. The gun's working great. It's functioning like it's supposed to. The thing is, it's not actually opening up the lock, or the doorknob in this case. Okay, so let me show you another demonstration of a padlock. Really had no luck on these either. These are a little more challenging because of the way they had to hold them, plus the dang keyhole's so small it's hard to get this tension wrench all the way in there. Okay. I can hear some of the pins bouncing back down once I release tension. After doing those, and either both of these locks, and I'm going to show you a demonstration in doorknob to see what y'all think about this. This is a BHP model, pretty much deadbolt and doorknob set. Of course, the brass doorknob I did was a quick set. This is BHP. It's like Better Homes or something like that. It's some kind of off-brand, but okay. It's kind of hard to hold the camera here while I'm doing this. Hang on just a second. I'm going to lay that camera up here until I get situated. This is what I'm basically doing. I have a tension wrench and my gun here, and obviously obviously I haven't locked this doorknob yet. But at any rate, it's not turning the lock either way. Whether it's locked or not, it would still turn the tumbler.